Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we're going to be playing with the spinning art, crazy art, been made by Crazy Art. Yeah, this is what we're going to be playing with today. You should have already seen a short out by me. And I'm going to test this today with a bloom. So I did some beautiful art yesterday. This was using just Artist Loft paints and using it as a regular spinning art, the way they tell you to use it. Although I used it on tiles, and I made some spin art. So today I thought I would test this out on my bloom. I don't know, see what's gonna happen here. I don't have a clue. I have not tested it before. Just gonna go with the flow here like I usually do. It did clean up quite easy yesterday, I have to say, with my, whoops, already we're getting it all over the place, but all right, that should clean up easily, and already I didn't put my gloves on. But I think we can do this. We can do this. I don't know. I just have what I have over here. I didn't mix up anything special. So I have Liquitex lime green mixed up. So let's let me give this a stir because it's been kind of laying here all week. And this was the soft body. And let's put some of that in the middle. Okay. So there's our lime green. And I guess I could use this little Piggy on top of that. This is this little Piggy Horizon. And I'm stirring that up here. Yeah, I'm not going to use too much of anything because we're just going to, this is just like a little test piece. So here's our horizon. Okay, I really should have just used some Boom Gel. Maybe I'll just take some Boom Gel for on top of that. Horizon, and let's see, what color can we put on top of that? We have green, we have peach. Maybe a little drop of some Boom Copper. I don't want to put too much. Remember that Boom Gel. Let me get rid of these bubbles here. All right, and where is my cell activator? Right over here. I have my titanium white cell activator. And this is made with Australian Floetrol and Amsterdam titanium white. Okay, I got a nice little halo there. So I'm hoping that will sunk in a little bit, but we should be okay. And let's use my little blow dryer. I'm not getting any cells here, so I'm wondering. Maybe my cell activator. It's a little bit too old. Oh, we got a little cell action there. We got a little bit. Let me just get down in here. Okay. All right, we have a few cells. I'm gonna test this out. I have no idea what's gonna happen. So wish me luck. Here we go. Okay, come on, go. Go, go, go. Go, go. What happened? Come on. Come on. Well, look at that. Come on, go. Go, go, go. What is going? Go, 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 go. I'm wondering if it works on the paint because it keeps going in there. Yay, 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 yay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh. Well, if that's not gorgeous, I don't know what is. Get a load of that. I don't know why it's not continuing to go. Well, for 11 bucks, honestly, it was worth just my reaction to get this far. I'm happy right here. I'm going to leave it at that. Look at this. How gorgeous is this? Honestly, I kid you not. This is, look how beautiful that is. I'm going to be playing around with this a little bit today, but I think this is worth $11. I think it was $11.99 or $12. But seriously, that is beautiful. I deserve a thumbs up for finding a great little, look, even if you brought this to a birthday party, or if you bought a box of tiles and a few things of artist loft paints, because this is, even this, when you do regular spin art, is beautiful. All right, I did a bloom, and look how gorgeous that is. All right, that takes a little skill and a little better paints, but really, I think this is worth it. And I don't have any Amazon links to give you or anything else, but I'm not going to make a penny on this, but I think that's a great game, a great toy to buy a kid. It comes with these little, comes with these, but from what I read up on it, you can just use a 5x7 piece of paper. I'm using it just to keep it clean underneath, so I don't have to clean up too much. But honestly, yesterday, all I did was take this apart, because this comes right apart. Actually, I'll even show you how it comes apart. See this? This comes right out. Right? You throw that right in the garbage. Throw that right out. This here, you take it out, put it right in the sink to clean it. This here, I'm sure I can just wipe that down right now, which is what I'm going to do. And look at that beautiful bloom I have. I'm telling you, definitely worth it. Definitely worth the $11 or $12 that you would spend. So that's my video for today. Hopefully you'll see my little short, which I'm going to send out now. That's beautiful. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay, everyone. Have a great night, great day, great evening. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Bye-bye now. Wait for the